Hello everybody and happy Friday. It's cocktail time. Today's cocktail comes with a little bit of a story. I went to Scotland with Haig Club not that long ago and I met a guy there called Ewan who is like the brand ambassador who travels the world and knows everything there is to know about whiskey and introduced me to a really beautiful drink which is basically an espresso martini but with whiskey rather than vodka, and I am obsessed with it. I've actually ordered it a few times in the bar and nothing has quite matched up to the time I had it with Ewan, so he actually gave me his recipe and I'm gonna make it. So here is what you need. First things first, you need your whiskey. Now I have Haig Club here because I love it for one thing, but also it's really perfect for an espresso martini because it's not too heavy and it's not too peaty. It's a very easy to drink whiskey, which means it's gonna complement the other flavors really well. The other flavors being your creme de cacao, some espresso, some honey, a dash, depending on how sweet you like it, and a few coffee beans for your garnish. You also need a martini glass and some ice, which are in the fridge and the freezer, respectively. So let's make a kick-ass espresso martini. Up first, you need 25 milliliters of your whiskey. You also need 25 ml of your creme de cacao. The good thing about this recipe is it's really easy to remember. 25 ml, 25 ml, 25 ml, a squeeze, easy. "25 milliliters of your espresso." Oh, I'm really proud that I didn't spill that everywhere. And then a squeeze of honey, depending on how sweet you like it. I don't like my drinks too sweet, so I'm going for a small squeeze, but if you do, just add more. Bloop, that'll do me. Ice up your shaker. You want to get this nice and cold, especially if your coffee's come straight out of the coffee machine, because it will be warm, right? And you want a cold drink. Your lid goes on, and you want to give this quite a good shake actually, because you need a lot of air in there to get that nice foamy top. There we go. Now get your strainer ready and get your martini glass out of the fridge. Simply strain in. Now, if you've done it right, you should kind of get a pale mixture that then starts to separate and you get the nice foam on top. Look at that, perfect. Now to garnish, you want 3 coffee beans. The way I've always seen it done is sort of like in a triangle sort of peace sign off center. It's quite fiddly this bit, and I'm not great at it, so don't judge. Good start. Oh, 2 for 2, looking good. There we go. I'm a semi-professional bean placer now. And here we have a rather impressive looking espresso martini with whiskey. Now I have to say, I much prefer it with whiskey over vodka. I just think it makes the drink smoother and somehow softer and just very drinkable. So cheers, happy Friday. Oh God, I make a good one of them. That's nearly as good as Ewan's one actually. Very happy with that. Happy Friday everyone, see you soon, bye.